Imagine opening a clothing brand and turning it into a huge success. Starting a clothing brand from scratch at 16. It's not just a dream, it's happening, and I'm here to show you how to do it too. Today we are diving into the very first steps, finding the perfect name, designs, and killer logo, and setting the foundation for a brand that could change your life, whether you are 16, 25, or 14. This video will give you the blueprint to start your journey. Let's go to work. This isn't just about starting a business. It's about creating a brand that tells a story, stands for something, and connects with people. Today, I'm not just building my clothing brand. I'm sharing everything I learned so you can build yours too. First up, we need a name. A great brand name is catchy. It presents your vibe, your mission, and the audience you want to connect with. Here's how I'm brainstorming mine, and how you can do it too. Step 1. Think about your brand's purpose. What do you want it to stand for? Get creative with words, mix and match. Use apps or combine ideas. And the last step, check if the name is available. Google it, search social media, and make sure the domain name isn't taken. Okay, here are so few ideas I've come up with so far. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments. And share your ideas too. Who knows, you might inspire the perfect name for my brand or yours. Once you have the name, it's time to bring it to life with a logo. Here's how to get started. First, sketch your ideas first. Keep it simple and recognizable. Second, use online tools like Canva or Adobe Express to test out designs. And the third, think about versatility. Your logo needs to look great on everything from t-shirt to social media. Here's the concept I'm working on. It's clean and bold and gives off the vibe I want of the brand. If you are creating your logo, remember, it's all about experimenting and refining until it feels right. Starting a clothing brand may seem overwhelming, but there's the truth. You don't need a huge budget or fancy tools to start. You just need a clear idea for your brand purpose, a name and a logo to make it real, a willingness to learn and adapt along the way. Every big brand you know today starts exactly where we are now, with an idea and a whole lot of hustle. Today we laid the foundation, choosing a name, sketching a logo, and planning the next step. In the next video, we'll dive into sourcing materials, creating designs, and building a brand identity that stands out into the market. Whether you're starting your brand today or just dreaming about it, this journey is for you. I'm here to guide you, share my experience, and show you that it's possible to turn your ideas into something amazing. Hit that subscribe button and follow along as we build this brand together. And if you are serious about starting your own clothing brand, comment below with your goals. I'd love to help. Let's make it happen.